Okay, wonderful. So now we're ready to go to chatgpt.com. So I just typed in chatgpt.com at the search bar. And what you'll see is you could begin to just use ChatGPT this way. You can start to ask questions without even creating an account, but it's going to be helpful to save your chats and to, continue to use ChatGPT. So you'll see you could either log in or sign up for free. So you're going to sign in. Now, this is where you can either create an account with your email address and go through those steps, or what I would recommend, if you have a Google account, you're going to say continue with Google and make sure you're logged in to the account you're going to use to start a ChatGPT account. So this is where that'll show up. I'll hit demo occur, which is my demo account. You'll see that it's going to allow OpenAI to see your email address and your name. This is the terms that you do have to accept in order to use the tool. And so we will go ahead and continue from there. It'll ask you to confirm your age, and then from there, you'll have your own ChatGPT account. I'm going to go ahead and change this. Today's the 9th. Let's just put 2000 on here as a way to make sure that we pass the adult test. And from there, it's going to create the account. And so now when I get ready to use ChatGPT, I'll be able to save my chats. You can choose which one you're going to use it for. This isn't necessarily going to tailor all of your answers, but it will allow it to offer you some suggestions. So I'm just going to say personal tasks and work for mine, and using it for myself. And there you go. So it'll walk you through a tour from there. Wonderful.